U.S. Buildings is a designer, manufacturer, supplier, and erector of pre-engineered steel buildings, headquartered in Vietnam. This season, we offer you a very special package, only $29 per square meter for warehouse mainframe package plus other accessories. For all your needs in all industries. Whether you need a cold storage warehouse, textile and garment factory, oil refinery, fertilizer, or a convention center for special events. Logistics center, mainframe of large, heavy articles, food and beverage manufacturing plants, car and even bike parking, functional buildings. At U.S. Buildings, we do it all. Only 2 weeks for a standard fabrication process. Time goes by so fast, we can help you save it. So you probably have more time to create even more value. Only 3 steps. First, you receive the proposal drawings, my latest design software at zero cost. Second, U.S. Factory fabricates mainframe and accessories in just a few days. And finally, we send all materials to your job site worldwide in a blink. During the erection process, we are here to support you anytime you need it. With the experience in hundreds of kinds of projects from warehouses for rent, cosmetic factory, office buildings, ice factories, sugar warehouses, feed mills, solar farms, hangars, hospitals, and stadiums. In Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Guam, Indonesia, Mauritius, India, Micronesia, Australia, and other countries in the world. With significant numbers of in-house professional engineers and 20,000 tons of manufacturing capacity, we proudly offer you 20 years of warranty for our mainframe structure. Remember, it only takes 1 day for the quotation. And only $29 for a square meter. WhatsApp US now and be the early bird that gets the worm. See you at the job site.